in the sky where the birds all roam. Southwestern aerial takes you home, with drones that soar like eagles high, capturing views that make you sigh. From desert sands to mountains steep, they've got the gear